Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Ledger and Phone step by step. Open your preferred Ledger app or spreadsheet and create a new file with columns for date, description, debit, credit, and balance. Use a consistent date format and add opening balances, then enter each transaction as it happens to prevent mistakes. Reconcile with bank statements weekly and correct mismatches promptly to keep records accurate and stress low. Choose simple categories that match your spending habits and stick with them across months for clean reports. Duplicate a template each month so your columns, formulas, and categories stay consistent and setup time drops. Use color coding or filters to find entries fast and keep category count manageable to avoid confusion. Regularly review category assignments so your budgeting and reporting stay meaningful and actionable without overwhelming you. Add formulas for running balance and monthly totals so your ledger updates automatically and accurately as you enter transactions. Turn on cloud backup or sync to keep a copy on your phone and another device, preventing data loss if your phone is lost. Reconcile monthly against bank statements to spot duplicates or missed items, and archive old months to keep files fast and easy to navigate while preserving history for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.